Hello everybody, Miss Jackie Russell here. It is time to find the winner of our mystery bundle unboxing and review that we did with the fabulous curation that Amber had sent me from her Poshmark store, the Hip Lioness. And in that, she had sent me a mystery box and I had opened it and there was like 7 or 8 items, and I decided to share some of them with you all. And it is time to pick that winner. I do have the YouTube comment picker all set. I've got the URL in. I have filter for duplicates. I have our word was Amber. And we had 75 unique comments. Thank you very much. That is a lot. And thank you all for watching. And I really encourage you to go over and check out her store. And if you like mystery boxes, well, you've seen from mine that it was really good. And I would say, hey, go try them out and get you a mystery box. They'll be great for a gift for yourself or for someone else that you know in your family. But I want to thank you all for watching and thank you for supporting my channel. And thank you, Amber, for sending the mystery box for us to enjoy. And now it's time to choose the winner. So good luck to everyone. Who's the winner? Who's the winner? Who's the winner? Jenny Bell. Hey, hi Jenny. Congratulations. She says Amber sent you a great box. I appreciate how thorough you are in your unboxings, Miss Jackie. Researching the process for us was very helpful and informative. Oh, well, thank you, Jenny. I'm glad to do that. It gives us an overall picture, you know, what we get in the mystery boxes and the value. So let's pop over to her channel and see if Jenny is subscribed. She must be subscribed to Miss Jackie Russell in order to win. And there I am, boom, right away. All right, Jenny is the official winner. So let's congratulate Jenny Bell. And Jenny, you have 48 hours to contact me. And I thank you very much for supporting my channel. And I'm so happy to know that you like my videos. And I hope you come back and see more of them. And everybody, there is the uncustomized FabFitFun Triple Crown battle going on between Reviews with Sue, Laura Unwooten, and myself. And there are 3 giveaways, so be sure and check that out. And of course, always check my descriptions because I may have other giveaways, including some surprise giveaways that are listed. But as for today, that's all I have. And Jenny, please contact me at missjackierussell@yahoo.com and I will get your prize out to you right away. Congratulations. And as usual, I wish you all a blessed and happy day. Bye-bye.